Dear students, welcome back in the practice paper number 7, that is revision mixed up questions for physics for class 9. In this practice paper, dear students, I have given total 10 questions to solve you. There are total 10 questions which are there to solve. The first question of this practice paper is, what is friction? What is friction? Second question, is force scalar or vector? How? If your answer is vector, how can you say that it is vector? And if your answer is scalar, how? What is the reason behind it? Question number 3, prove position time relation graphically. Position time relation means prove ST relation graphically. Now you have to think upon whether this position time relation is first equation, second equation or third equation of motion. Question number 4, a force of 200 Newton acts on an object of mass m so that it accelerates at a rate of 40 mm per minute square. Calculate its mass. A force of 200 Newton acts on an object means the magnitude of force is 200 Newton. It is acting on an object whose mass is not given, whose mass is m. But the acceleration that is produced in this object is 40 mm per minute square. Dear students, here the acceleration is not in its SI unit. So you have to convert this 40 mm per minute square into meter per second square. It depends upon your basic concepts. Then how you can convert this millimeter per minute square into meter per second square. After conversion, you can easily calculate the value for mass. So number 5, a truck starts from rest and accelerates at a rate of 20 centimeter per second square for 2 minutes. Calculate the distance covered in this time period. The truck is there whose acceleration is given 20 centimeter per second square. Again, centimeter per second square is not the SI unit of acceleration. So here you have to convert this 20 centimeter per second square in meter per second square. Time is given 2 minutes. Again, minute is not the SI unit of time. So you have to convert this 2 minutes into seconds. That is in SI unit of time. After conversion, you can easily find out the distance covered. Now in this question, you will have to decide whether this question would be solved by using the first equation, second equation or third equation of motion. Question number 6. A particle moves on an equilateral triangular path of side 200 meter and completes one round in 15 minutes. Calculate its average speed. A particle which moves on an equilateral triangular path. The path is equilateral triangle and the particle is moving over there. The side of the equilateral triangular path is 200 meter and the particle covers one round in 15 minutes. 15 minutes is to be converted into seconds. Then you have to calculate the value for average speed. Question number 7. Differentiate uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. 8th. If the velocity of an object is tripled, keeping its mass same, what effect would be there in its momentum? If an object whose mass is not given, mass is m, velocity is not given, so velocity will be taken as v, and in second case the velocity of that particular object changes. The velocity of that particular object becomes tripled, that is 3v, keeping the mass constant. What effect would be there in its momentum? And what is the final momentum of the object if the velocity of that particular object is being tripled, keeping the mass constant? You have to solve it. Question number 9. What is unbalanced force? Well, you have to write the definition of unbalanced force. 10th, how can you define speed? Just write the definition of speed. So this is all about of this practice paper. I hope all these questions seem to be easier for all of you. Try to solve it. Thank you.